Question is given 2 power x power 2 divided by 4 power x is equal to 16. We have to find out the value of x here. How we can find out the value of x? Let's see solution. Two power x power 2 divided by 4 power x is equal to 16. Right? This is given. We can write this 2 power x power 2 divided by 4 power x is equal to this 16. We can write 2 power 4. Now 2 power x power 2, so we can write this 2 power x power 2 divided by 4 power x, that is 2 power 2 power x, right? We can write this 2 power x is equal to 2 power 4. Now we can write this one 2 power x power 2, so we can write x square divided by 2 power, we can write this one 2 power x is equal to 2 power 4. Now 2 power x, 2 power x power 2, so we can compare this equation, then we will get here 2 power, we can write this 2 power x square x power 2, that is x square, minus this will come above, then it will become minus 2 power x, right? 2 power x, this will become 2x is equal to 2 power 4. 2 power x square minus 2x is equal to 2 power 4. Now when we are comparing this one, base are same, so we know the formula. If a power m is equal to a power n, then m is equal to n. Base are same, so we can compare power. So we can write here x square minus 2x is equal to 4, right? Now x square minus 2x minus 4 is equal to 0. Here a is equal to 1, coefficient a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 2 and c is equal to minus 4. Then value of x is equal to, we can write minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac upon 2a, right, is equal to minus b, minus value of b minus 2 plus minus b square, that is minus 2 square, minus 4 times a times c is minus 4, divided by 2 times a, that is 1, is equal to minus minus plus 2 plus minus 2 square, that is 4, plus minus minus plus 4 4 just 16, divided by 2 is equal to 2 plus minus 16 plus 4, that is 20, divided by 2. Now factor of 20, that is 2 10 ja 2 5 ja 5, 4 5 ja 20, so we can write here 2 plus minus 4 times 5 divided by 2, right, is equal to 2 plus minus this 4 come outside, then it will become 2 square root of 5 divided by 2 is equal to 2 divided by 2 plus minus 2 square root of 5 divided by 2. This 2 cancel from this 2, and here this one is equal to 1 plus square root of 1 plus minus square root of 5. So value of x1 is equal to, we can write 1 plus square root of 5, and value of x2 is equal to 1 minus square root of 5. This is the value of x1 and x2 in this solution. Thank you.